It's no number of person who say football that see with him say career officer with the touch away. When you say that biano. Unya kunya and our no one say your friend say Mr. Joseph Aboagye. When you call up to the blaster say Bababoma Ghana. Who just call up to
Ghana? One of the dream of every footballer say about representing the country. Okay. So I think that being called up to Ghana it will be an honor. So and I've seen a couple of examples. Players in Aboagye and I say I've been called to the national team. It's a Kevin President say they were the career end day. Because what say it's because of say he played for Ghana and Norway. So we have one of Ghana's finest keepers. On Bechima Black Stars, Adam Karase. I even have a picture of him with me actually now with that talk. So Adam Karase, only say so he was because of Ghana and Brazil. On the game, he made a lot of saves. I was even thinking the career in the national team will be prolonged. So I think that these are two examples. Ghana, it didn't end up well. But however, we also have other examples. He said Jordan, Ayew, of France. But you see how well they are performing for the national team near the end. Inaki Williamson and saying a friend, I don't know. So I hope say he will have a longer career. So being called to the national team it will be an honor. But I have to work on myself, the progress near the end. Like you said, end the call up. And so I'm say oh Aboagye I'm Ghana from Aboagye, but no opportunity. Yeah, I have a couple of examples. So we are hoping gradually we'll get there. But if the call up comes, so we'll honor it.
Okay. No, my name is as a Diana started BBA. Now we hear pictures because now only Bafoni, man, your pictures I'm called football, basketball, pictures in maybe. So I only said Ghana or that talent to and Ghana was Ghana's whole talent to her. It's not a footballer I want Norway be a person from Amma Fan. What dream is baby. Now they set up a club who have and I said maybe yes scouting the players. They are family and they are outside of Bobo, so I pick that doing Ghana.
Yeah, she said they Okan if it is here no. Higher na mini, higher na starting some Bobo, Chacha, and Chacha games, matches ya boy, we and Namia for Bobo. Engineer higher na me like we started this year Bobo so. And me now for some minimum Bobo fitting collaborating, me buying, they are still doing well. Near me Bobo, she said they are still on form near that. Into talents there. Oh, talents there, or Bibro down and me say one of the things I've been pressing here in the near future and say to say me wants to curious for Abba Premier if there's if they're in the future permit to shares be an as a baby womb and then be a cone and as a visa is one of the things I may dream and I also says or dance stadium no infrastructure no really in a bad condition. I mean I'm not some now. I'll try and do something to help Odan and achieve mines, and also talents maybe for boys but maybe serious talents and I think I'm hoping that be academy be right to dream now for right to dream and they are doing well in Aboagye. Shout to Ernest and Danso on Bostroms we say Norway. I'm hoping to have an academy there that me players and so be free and they'll be big superstars in the world.
Yeah, question we made ban will be 2 months and Baby Miss more. Number for some person who said video good training on social media you and could do say old neighbor Achimo down person who said okay I only could do some relationship banner a woman term just music video with your person who
oh Kudus yenye ni mkuzi say or a superstar or a band of football they are superstar one of the brightest talents that they are coming up Ghana football and also worldwide and it's said become one now phobia almost some ball right to dream ball right to dream I'm a bob boy or Norway for Ernest shouts to Ernest and Danso shouts to Danso as well and me now for I'm about Norway na man and Nanti Koba the idea grow. And Madame for Soli Kudus. Madame for Kudus, Ernest, the best friend Kudus. And she said, I so many Kudus, and so, Ernest, friends, no. When you invite Kudus about Norway, and our friends said Charlie Kudus about prior to that, na me call him now of Fred Kudus first time. I mean Kudus didn't come on here, so he knew who I was. It's no bar, no way. I could Ernest friend say, Madame from the friend say Kudus about it, no member. You know me call her, no. The vibes was good, the conversation, everything, bubbling. So the like friendship, you know, we grow in Kakra. So definitely, or down there, I mean, himself, or down 4 chances, me the star boy, me the Babylon, the Mamunsu. Yeah, you know, yeah, we grow a friendship near the about knowing. I mean, I'm driving around, you know, yeah, gradually, we are building our friendship. Yeah.
It's you know, as everyone say, young footballers are upcoming for you. So be here interview, yeah. As some banner, back at as a footballer, as a day or negative, you know, do. You can say footballer, where they, and a positive one. So as a footballer.